Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this episode we will be learning how to enter promo code in Township game using your mobile device. So let's get started with the video. First of all, open up your Township game on your device and then make sure that your game is also updated to the latest version, and once it is, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner from your home screen. Now click on the gear button in the pop-up, and then on the next page you will be able to see the enter promo code text. Tap on it, and then on the next page in the pop-up, carefully enter your promo code exactly as given. And then once you do that, click on confirm. If the code isn't working, it may be expired or used already. Try another one from an official Township source. Promo codes are often shared during events, holidays, or on Township's official social media channels, and that's how you have learned how to redeem a promo code in Township. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.